Oh, will you cut your stupid dancing? Lakers are winning in 6 anyway. Have your fun now. They suck. Yo, what's happening, everybody? Michael here. Welcome back to Technoid. And guys, I'm super excited. It is 12:14 in the morning, which means I will be done by 2 in the morning. Oh boy. But welcome back, everybody. I hope you're all having an excellent day. Miami has won Game 4! I could be so happy right now. Hey, listen, regardless whether we lose the series the next game, it doesn't matter. I am super proud of the boys back in Miami, them goons, for pulling up the dub. I'm proud of Jimmy Buckets, Tyler Buckets, Baby Goat Tyler Hero, Duncan Robinson, Kendrick Nunn, Bam Adebayo, not out of the bayou, whoever, Kendrick Perkins, and I'm just proud of the entire bench, the squad. It is a great game that they're playing. Listen, the Lakers are very tough, but congrats to Miami on the win. I'm super happy, guys. Come on, let's keep fighting, let's pushing. If we don't win, hey, listen, I'm still proud regardless. But welcome back, everybody. I hope you all are doing well. And again, guys, today we're gonna have 3 videos. The main story we're gonna start with, and then we'll get to the side stories. Now, to users joining on for the first time, if you are new here and you like the content that I bring and you are considering subscribing, by all means, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you do not miss when I upload. And to returning subscribers, thank you as always. And everybody, please make sure if you are currently subscribed or subscribing now, please follow my Twitter at Technoid12, which you can find in the description of this video. Now that we've got all that out of the way, let's get it. So story number 1, let's start with the main story, the HomePod Mini. Now, as you know, Apple is scheduled to release a brand new HomePod. A lot of people have been saying it's going to be a follow-up. Others have been saying it's a mini. Well, according to 9to5Mac, it can be announced that they're rumored to announce a HomePod Mini. I can't believe I'm stuttering all the time. And it will be available in November for the starting price of $99. So let me break down this article and then I'll give you my opinion. Here are what the article says. So according to this rumor comes to us from a supposed leaker called Kang from Love to Dream, who basically has said that the HomePod Mini will be coming this year, but that we should not expect a follow-up to the full-size HomePod in 2020. Now, that's a good start because obviously the first HomePod was a complete financial failure. Yes, it did make some sales, but it was not good on the level that Apple was hoping, so it makes sense that they would want to make a cheaper and a more affordable option. Kang, this leaker, it seems from what I was able to gather, he seems to be a very reliable leaker because according to also 9to5Mac to back this claim up, he is over 97% accurate, so there is some reliability in here, so I'm definitely going to take his word, but to an extent, but I'll explain after. Kang reports that the HomePod Mini will cost just $99 and will measure at 3.3 inches. That's super mini. That actually is really tiny. Now, to put it into size perspective, it won't be as small as a, let's say, an Echo Dot or a Google Mini, but it will be a little bit bigger, maybe about the same size roughly as an Echo, although I don't have a ruler to really do the measurements. But regardless of that, it says here it will be powered by the Apple's S5 processor, which is powered in the Apple Watch SE and the Series 5. And just for comparison's sakes, the current HomePod has the A8. Now, taking a look at the Mini, it is said to be announced again at the event. It will not, however, be available for pre-order until November 6th and will be fully available on the 16th to the 17th. So basically that means that we will probably not see this because they probably haven't begun the mass production. They probably haven't even finished on a global scale to ship this thing out worldwide. So it does make sense if they want to push the pre-orders and see how much anticipation builds for this product. But taking a look further, it also explains that apparently the AirPod Studios are also not ready to go according to John Prosser, and that those will be available in November as well. But staying to the HomePod Mini, this is actually a really good way for Apple to go because the sales are just not there. The HomePod, in my opinion, is a great sounding device, but a terrible smart speaker. However, there can be a lot of redemption there. Apple has opened up the HomePod OS to making it an open end. You can now have third-party sources as your main default music browser, although I wish Bluetooth connectivity was still an option, meaning that you can open Bluetooth, but regardless, there is room to grow, and the HomePod Mini is that growth. I think they can do it. I think Apple has the resources, and in my opinion, I can see for $99, there is no reason why you would not want to buy a HomePod Mini if you are an Apple user. It's about the same price as an Echo. It does about the same as an Echo, although that's kind of debatable, but regardless, HomePod Mini coming at the event, that's the rumor. I think it's credible enough because, again, it has been a while. It's been almost 2.5 years since the first HomePod, so it clearly makes sense for them to want to do this. So that's the HomePod Mini rumor. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you believe this or not? And are you excited for this product to be released should it be announced? Story number 2, let's head over to Google. Now, as you know, Google and YouTube have been a very interesting combination. I wonder where they get that from. But according to the Next Web, Google is looking to turn YouTube into a shopping hub. Now, there have been some somewhat formidable options. When you see ads, you can click on the ad and then buy from there. But according to the website, YouTube is testing a feature that will allow users to directly purchase products they see in a video. According to Bloomberg, they also go on to say that this could also be coming to streaming platforms and turn into a little bit of an Amazon competitor. Now, the idea behind this is that let's say you're watching a video and let's say you want to buy something that you really like in that video. So it will prompt you where you're interested to buy it, and you could buy it straight through YouTube. Now, again, they don't go into details about whether or not it's going to be requiring I suppose, credit card information or how this works, but this is just a beta feature, and if Google does roll this out, I can see this being kind of useful for a couple of people, but I don't know how successful it will be as a feature to make you fully embrace it. But I do like the appreciation that you can finally buy something. Let's say you're watching a video and then you want to buy the product. That makes total sense. So I'm all on board for that, and I definitely think that that is a good idea for Google to do. And last story, not really a story I wanted to do, but just something I wanted to update you guys. To people that have been following me on Soundcore, my last video, I made a big mistake. I already made my video explaining my mistake. If you haven't seen those videos, I urge you to check them out. But I'm here to follow up because after doing some more digging and research and trying to gather up as much information as I can, I finally have to give to you the let's try that again. The Soundcore Life Tune. The Soundcore Life Tune is basically a similar version to the Life Q30s. And when I say similar, they're very similar. Almost similar in features, design, features again, because this thing ultimately is a version that is the same. I don't know exactly how different it will vary. There are some slight differences. It seems to be an offline version, so meaning where it won't have full app support at the current moment, but it seems that this version of headphone will be available in the retail stores in Walmart, just like the Q30s. There really is not much I can say, but I will tell you that it is a separate headphone. It is priced at $80. It says it will be around the same price as the Q30s. But most of all, the tunes are supposed to be similar, again, like I said, but the sound quality might be the big difference. I don't know exactly the full details. This was, again, a ton of research that I really tried after background check and trying to find out something about these headphones that I can clear up to you guys. And what I've been able to gather is that these two headphones are going to be released. I don't know exactly why Soundcore didn't talk about it. I don't know why they didn't push it, but now you know there is a second model called the Tune, and also this version will be available with the Q30s. Now, hopefully I can get my hands on it. Hopefully I can see when I review the Q30s, and then I'll compare them. But I just wanted to let you guys know, and again, hopefully that clears everything up. And that's for today's episode of Technoid. Now guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, hit the like button. If you disliked the video, hit the dislike button. That helps circulate my videos as well. As always, everybody, thank you so much for watching. Take care, everybody. Have a great rest of your weekend. I will see you all on Sunday, and peace.